Hello friends, welcome to Edify Learner Smart. Today I am going to show you how to make an account on code.org, and from there you can learn block coding in Javascript, and it's easy and fun. First of all, this is for the students of class 2 to class 6, and if you are a beginner you can see as well if you have any interest, and the age does not matter. It's just a number, as we all know. So first of all, open a browser, whichever one you are using in your laptop or your desktop, whatever you have at your end, and write code.org. Okay, now first of all you have to sign in. See, I already have an account in this, so I'm just gonna use my credentials and I would sign in. If you don't have an account, you want to make an account, you have to go to create an account, and from there are some options like sign up for code.org using your Google account or a Facebook account or your Microsoft account, or you can use any of your email, password, other credentials, and you can sign up, and it's free. So I would sign in as I already have an account. So just wait a minute. Okay, it's done. Now see, here there are some tabs or buttons. From you can go to my dashboard, from where you can see the start learning, is set up your classroom and other things, course catalog, projects, professional learnings, and here is the button create, from where you can just do some projects, if whichever one you like. But for a beginner who is just learning to code, you must start with the artist one. It's easy. Okay, and from here you will learn the coding skills, how to code. Now let me explain you the environment of this code. Okay, code platform. Actually, first of all, here everything is in JavaScript, and JavaScript is the most basic programming language that is being used nowadays to learn web programming, or you can say interactive programming for a client side. Okay, so let me explain you everything. Here the button is instruction, and it says draw something awesome. Your code is saved as a project that you can return to at any time. This is workspace. Here you do the coding. This is the blocks, and let me tell you, this is a library kind of blocks. It is already provided to you, and now you can use it in your program to program anything you like from the given blocks. Okay, and this is the artist who is going to perform as you give the instructions, him or her over here, and this artist is going to perform that. This is the run button, and when you click it, the program that you have made will execute, and then you can rename the program and you can use it for further references, or you can share it, or when if I'm going to do more classes on it, I will explain you the remix button as well. Okay, so click the categories. Here the instruction is given, click the categories to see the blocks in your toolbox. drag blocks to the workspace to add them to your program, whatever you want to do. So for today I'm going to show you action. What there are some blocks in action like move forward, turn right, turn left, jump forward, jump to the top left, etc. There are some brushes like set color random color, set alpha, width, set pattern, etc. Draw a sticker and draw a sticker with this much of size. Loops, there are two kinds of loops given over here, that is a for loop or a repeat loop. Maths, you can use it for mathematical wherever it is required. Logic, if logic is over here. Functions, there are some given functions that you can use in your program, and there are some variables that you want to use, and there is a comment block. So we are going to do a simple programming. Here we are going to draw a square. Okay, so for that, as you know that a square is a shape which is a 2D shape which has actually 4 sides, and all of the 4 sides are equal. So move forward block will help us to create the sides of the square with as much as we want. So I just drag the move forward block over here, and I'm going to place it over here after when run. Okay, and what would be the size of the side? I select 100. You can select 150, 200, whatever you like, but if you give a big number, the artist would go out of the canvas. Okay, this is the canvas where the artist is drawing according to your instructions, whatever instructions you are going to give the artist from your program, right? So I just use it. I will use this block to make the artist turn to the right direction with 90 degree or 270, whatever. I'm going to use 270 degree. Okay, now again I am going to use move forward one more time so that I create one more side of the block of the square. Okay, now I'm going to use turn right one more time, and same 270. Okay, I am going to use move forward block for one more time to create another side of the square. Oh, sorry, the square has all equal sides, so I must give 100 value. I just typed it by mistake, it's a typo. Now again this turn right block, and sorry, one more time, it should be 270. Okay, now see, I need one more move forward block to complete this square, and put the value over here. Okay, now it's done. See how many times I'm using move forward blocks? 4 times. And how many times I'm using turn right blocks? I think it's 3 times. So these blocks are being repeated one after the another, except for turn right. Move forward has repeated 4 times, and turn right has been repeated 3 times, but it is in a particular order. After every move forward we are going to use turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, and then a single move forward, and there is no turn right, and the square is complete. So I have already shown you about the loops, so I can use this block repeat. Okay, this says how many times, so I'll put that over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it down and drag it down, just drag it over here and drag it over here. Okay, now put the value 3 times, as this is being repeated 3 times. And now I'm going to use this move forward one more time. Okay, so it's done. The square is complete. Now I want my square to look red, so I'm going to use a brush. Okay, just click it over here, then do this. Okay, I want the width of this square to be a darker, so I'm going to use 10 for this and see the magic. See, so this is the way you can learn programming over here, and it's free of cost. If you want more classes, more interaction from my sites, then you can like this one and subscribe to my channel Edify Learn Smart. You can also send me a friend request on Edify Learn Smart on Facebook. I'll give the link on the description below. And now this bunch of blocks are unused, so what you can do is you can just throw it back. I don't want it. Okay, now you can rename the program. You can whatever name you want, red square or whatever you like to do. You can just put it over here, just save it. Okay, so for today this much is enough. I hope you like the class. Bye.